All fifth students take page number 113. Last class you studied up to yarn to fabrics. Yes? Okay, you see here, this is spinning process, this is weaving process, that is knitting. Okay, you see. Okay, now uses of cotton. It is used to manufacture cotton textile and garments. Cotton is used to manufacture textiles. Manufacture cotton textile and also garments. Garments, that is ஆடைகள். Okay, it is used as fillers. It is in pillows, தலையணைகள் and mattresses. இது போன்றவைகளில் it is used as fillers. Okay, they used cotton. Yes, they used cotton in pillows and also mattresses. We used cotton in pillows and also mattresses. Then it is used for making surgical bandages. In medicine, it is used for making surgical bandages. அறுவை சிகிச்சைக்கு பயன்படுத்தக்கூடிய அந்த பேண்டேஜஸ்லாம் இதன் மூலமாக என்ன செய்யப்படுகிறது, உருவாக்கப்படுகிறது. இவற்றிலிருந்து உருவாக்கப்படுகின்றன. இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஃபார் மேக்கிங் டோட்டிஸ், வேஷ்டிகள், சாரீஸ், பெட்ஷீட்ஸ், டேபிள் கிளாத் அண்ட் ஸோ ஆன். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். ஓகே, தீஸ் ஆர் uses of cotton. These are uses of. Now we study about jute. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. ஓகே, ஒரு ஜூட் பிளான்ட்டினுடைய ஸ்டெம் பகுதியிலிருந்து தான் ஜூட் ஃபைபர் என்ன செய்யப்படுகிறது, உருவாக்கப்படுகிறது. ஜூட் பிளான்ட் ஹேஸ் லாங், சாஃப்ட் அண்ட் ஷைனி ஃபைபர்ஸ். அது அந்த பிளான்ட் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா லாங், சாஃப்ட் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ shiny fibers. Okay, then it is also referred as golden fiber due to its color and cost effectiveness. Jute fibers are separated from the process of plaiting jute by hand and then they are dried. Then these are converted into yarns in the same manner as in the case of cotton. How we got fabric from the cotton, like that same manner we will get jute, okay, from the yarns. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Jute plant has long, soft and shiny fibers. It is referred to as golden fiber. It is also referred to as golden fiber. Okay, because of its color and also cost effectiveness. Then how jute fibers are separated? Jute fiber are separated from the process of plaiting jute by hand. Then they are dried after converted into yarns. From the yarns, the same method of cotton, we are getting fabric. We are getting the fabric. Okay children, next, uses of jute. It is used for making bags, carpets, curtains and rope. It is used for listen children, jute fiber எப்படி காட்டன் ஃபைபர்லேருந்து யான் கன்வெர்ட் ஆயிடுச்சோ அதை மாதிரி தான் ஜூட் ஃபைபர்லேருந்து என்னது யான் நம்ம என்ன செய்கிறோம், ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறோம். ஆனால் காட்டனில் உள்ள சேம் மெத்தட் தான். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், யூசஸ் ஆஃப் ஜூட்டில் இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஃபார் மேக்கிங் பேக்ஸ், கார்பெட்ஸ், கர்டன் அண்ட் ரோப்ஸ். ஓகே, கார்பெட்ஸ் அப்படின்னா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், கார்பெட்டை இந்த தரையில் பயன்படுத்தக்கூடிய விரிப்பான். ஓகே, கர்டன்ஸ்னால் என்ன சொல்லுவோம், திரை, ஜன்னல் திரைகள். ரோப்ஸ்னால் கயிறுகள். இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஃபார் மேக்கிங் க்ளோத்ஸ், ஃபார் ரேப்பிங் bales of raw cotton and to make socks அப்படின்னா சாக்ஸ் ஃபார் ஸ்டோரிங் கிரைன்ஸ். தானியங்களை சேமித்து வைப்போம். அப்படி தான் சாக்கு முட்டையில் கட்டி தானியங்களை சேமித்து வைப்போம். அடுத்து இந்த கிளாத்ஸை வந்து பண்டில் போடுறதுக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா சணல் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஃபார் மேக்கிங் வால் ஹேங்கிங் ஃபார் டெக்கரேஷன். ஓகே, வால் ஹேங்கிங் ஃபார் டெக்கரேஷன். யூ see here these things made from jute. Okay, then coir Coir fiber is obtained from the outer covering of coconut. It is used to make floor mats, door mats, brushes and mattresses. You see here, from the coconut fiber we are getting these all things. We are getting all these things from the coconut fiber. Okay. Next we study about, now we studied natural fibers, இயற்கையாகவே கிடைக்கக்கூடிய பொருட்கள். Now we are going to study about synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. Synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. These fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. Hence they are called synthetic fibers or man-made fibers. These fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum and natural gas. You see here, these fibers are made by human beings with the help of chemical process. That's why man-made fiber. Another one name is synthetic fibers. Where we obtain these from coal, petroleum and natural gas. Okay, synthetic fiber, you see, rayon, sources wood pulp, then nylon, silk and wool. Okay, then polyester, petroleum products, then acrylic wool products. Okay children, next you see activity 2. Classify the following natural fibers: polyester, jute, silk, nylon, cotton, wool, acrylic, rayon. Natural fibers, what all? Cotton, jute, silk, wool. Okay children, you write that. Then remaining all synthetic fibers. Okay. Then next, uses of synthetic fibers. Uses of synthetic fibers. What are the uses? Rayon is used to make rope, cloth, cap, tire, coats and carpets. Okay. Then nylon is used to make fishing nets, ropes, parachutes, fabrics, bristles for brushes. Okay. Then polyester is used to make fabric for suits and shirts, hoses, pipe chululla, hoses, then conveyor belts, films, pet bottles, okay, and wires. Then acrylic is used to make sweaters, shawls and blankets. Okay children, you see here, do you know the world's most valuable fiber is obtained from a small wild animal called vicuna. It belongs to a camel family. The world's most valuable fiber is obtained from a small wild animal called vicuna. It belongs to the camel family. Okay. Next we study about grains. Dhaniyangal. Grain is a small, hard, dry seed. Each grain is protected by a husk and the husk encloses the seed. Two main types of commercial grain crops are cereals and legumes. Wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley and millet are some of the whole grains. Listen, grain is a small, hard and dry seed. Each grain is protected by a husk and the husk encloses the seed. அந்த நம்ம இப்போ ஒரு நெல் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோன்னா இந்த அரிசி சுற்றிலும் கிரெயின் தான், அந்த தானியத்தை சுற்றிலும் கவரிங்கில் இருக்கும், அதுதான் என்னது உமி பகுதி. Two main types of commercial grain crops and are cereals and legumes. Okay, then wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley, millets are some of the whole grains. Now wheat, we study about wheat. Wheat na என்னது? Wheat, கோதுமை. Yes, maize na என்ன? சோளம் சொல்லுவோம், அப்படிதானே? Now you see here, wheat. Yes, okay, this is the most important crop in the world. Whole wheat is important because it is rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat germ and cracked wheat. Okay, then maize, you see here, makacholo. Okay, in many tropical and subtropical countries, Mexico and America, maize is the main food that people eat. It is also known as corn. Maize oil is extracted from for corn cooking. Yellow or colored corn may promote eye health. Yellow or colored corn இருக்குல்ல அது எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும் அப்படின்னா ஐ ஹெல்த்துக்கு. ஓகே, இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ரிச் சோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் மெனி விட்டமின்ஸ். நிறைய விட்டமின்ஸ் இருக்குது, நிறைய தாதுக்கள் இருக்குது, மினரல்ஸ். கார்ன் சிரப் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் அஸ் எ ஸ்வீட்னர் இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் சுகர். அதாவது கார்ன் சிரப் வந்து சுகருக்கு பதிலாக இதை வந்து ஸ்வீட்டாக என்ன செய்கிறாங்க, பயன்படுத்துகிறாங்க. மெய்ஸ் ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் ஆர் ஸ்வீட் கார்ன், பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் சீரியல், tortilla chips, taco and maize oil. You see here. Next, rice. Rice is a type of grass. It is produced worldwide after sugarcane and maize. Large parts of the world human population, especially people in Asia, have this as their main food. Rice is a type of grass. It is produced worldwide after sugarcane and maize. Yes. Okay, then 90% of the world rice production is in Asia. White rice contains few essential nutrients. Brown rice is a whole grain that contains the fibrous bran. Brown rice is usually considered much healthier than white rice. Brown rice la தான் அதிகமான நியூட்ரியன்ட் இருக்குது. ஓகே, ரைஸ், இட்லி, இடியாப்பம் and rice அவல் are the food items prepared from rice. ரைஸ்லேருந்து கிடைக்கப்பெறக்கூடியவைகள். ஓகே, then you see here. Then next, millet. We study about millet. Now we study about millets. Millets are a group of small seeded grasses. You see here, barnyard millet, then foxtail millet, then sorghum. Okay, finger millet. Millets are a group of small seeded grasses. They are millets na thinai vagaigal na. They are widely grown around the world as cereal crops for fodder and human food. Next, it helps in weight loss. It is rich in fiber. இதில் நிறைய ஃபைபர் இருக்குது. வெயிட் குறையணும்னா இது யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Some of the millet products for sorghum, foxtail millet, finger millet, pearl millet, banyan millet, kodo millet and little millet. Then household goods. You see, these are the products that we use in our house permanently. Household goods used in the olden days. The goods that are found in a house permanently are called household goods. Household goods are furniture, kitchenware, clothes, towel, bedding, boots and electronic goods. Okay, வீட்டு உபயோகப் பொருட்கள். Okay children, in olden days you see here they used these all. Now household goods used in the modern days. Nowadays we are using these வீட்டு உபயோகப் பொருட்கள். Yes, it is looking nice. Yes children. Okay, we complete today's class. So all of you take over classwork note and also book. We will see book exercise first. After you will write classwork. Take page number 119. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following are the states of matter? Which of the following are the states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas. Only for the answer B. Solid, liquid, gas. Second one, which of the following is a solid? Kerosene, air, water, apple. So the apple is a solid. So the answer is D. Apple. Okay. Then jute fiber is obtained from leaf, stem, flower, root. Answer stem. So the answer is B. Stem. Next, come to fill in the blanks. First one, dash soil is suitable for growing cotton. Black soil and alluvial soil. Write this. Look at this and write. Black soil, BLACK, black soil, and alluvial, ALLUVIAL. Okay. Then ginning is done to separate dash from the seeds. Raw fiber, RAWFIBRE. Okay. Then synthetic fiber is also called artificial fiber, ARTIFICIAL. Okay. Next, woolen clothes are manufactured from plants and animals. Did you write? Okay. Look at match the following. When I say the answer, listen carefully and mark. Okay. Yarn, spinning. Number 1, you put number 1, spinning. Lint, ginning. Fabrics, weaving. Rayon, wood pulp. Jute, stem. Okay, then come to true or false. Coir is the outer covering of coconut. True. Then beans and peas are pulses. False. Then table is a household good. True. Sweet corn is not a product of maize. False. Cotton balls contain jute fiber. False. Okay. Then complete the given analogy. Okay. Complete the given analogy. You see the first one, solid, table, liquid, water, liquid, LIQUID. Then cotton seed, ginning, lint, spinning. Okay. The next, coir fiber, coconut tree. Cotton fiber, cotton plant. Then black pepper, spice. Sweet corn, cereal, CEREAL, cereal. Did you write, children? Next, write answer in brief. Take page number 120, look at your book and write the first question. What is known as ginning? The raw fibers are separated from the seed by the process is known as ginning. Look at and write soon. The raw fibers are separated from the seed by the process is known as ginning. Give 2 examples for food products is made from wheat. Give 2 examples of food products made from wheat. Wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat jam and cracked wheat. Look at this and write. Wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat jam and cracked wheat. Okay, the next. Did you write, children? What are synthetic fibers? The fibers made by human beings with the help of chemical process are called synthetic fibers or artificial fibers. These fibers are obtained from coal, petroleum and natural gas. Look at and write. What is known as upthrust? When an object is immersed into a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. It is known as upthrust. When an object is immersed into a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. It is known as upthrust. UPTHRUST. One more question after we will complete today's class, okay? Name the list of whole grains. Name the list of whole grains. Wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley and millets are some of the whole grains. Wheat, maize, listen carefully. Wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley and millets are some of the whole grains. Okay, I have given homework. Yes, you do the homework and also given the classwork, you study the classwork. Okay children, we will meet again in the next video. Thank you all.